What's up guys, today's video is on the top 3 best portable sticker printer in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. The Nimbot D11 portable printer is a game-changer for anyone who needs to print on the go. This nifty little gadget is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around with you wherever you go. But don't let its size fool you, the Nimbot D11 packs a punch when it comes to performance and functionality. One of the most impressive features of the Nimbot D11 portable printer is its printing quality. It produces crystal-clear prints with its 300 dpi print head and advanced thermal technology. Whether you need to print out important documents, photos, or labels, the Nimbot D11 can deliver stunning results every time. Another great feature of the Nimbot D11 is its compatibility with a wide range of devices. It can connect to your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and even supports USB and Ethernet connections, making it a versatile printing solution for all your needs. The Nimbot D11 portable printer is also designed with a user-friendly interface, making it easy to use even for beginners. You can use its intuitive app to print a variety of customizable templates, including barcode labels, name tags, and more. In conclusion, the Nimbot D11 portable printer is a powerful and compact printing solution that delivers high-quality prints on the go. Its versatility, ease of use, and exceptional printing quality make it an indispensable tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. So, if you're looking for a portable printer that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, the Nimbot D11 is definitely worth considering. The Foamemo D30 Label Maker machine is a handy and efficient tool that helps you create professional-looking labels for all your organizational needs. With its compact and sleek design, this label maker is perfect for use both at home and in the workplace. One of the most notable features of the Foamemo D30 Label Maker is its versatility. It comes with a variety of font styles and sizes, as well as an extensive range of symbols and emojis that make it easy to create customized labels for different purposes. You can choose from a variety of label types, including transparent, colored, and iron-on labels. The Foamemo D30 Label Maker is also incredibly easy to use. It features a user-friendly interface that guides you through the process of creating labels step by step. You can easily navigate through the various settings and options using its intuitive LCD display, and it even has a built-in cutter that makes it quick and easy to cut your labels to the desired length. Another great feature of the Foamemo D30 Label Maker is its connectivity. You can connect it to your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth and use its companion app to create labels using your own photos and images. This makes it a versatile and highly functional label maker that is perfect for use in a wide range of scenarios. Overall, the Foamemo D30 Label Maker machine is a reliable and high-quality label maker that delivers professional-looking labels with ease. Its versatility, ease of use, and connectivity make it an indispensable tool for anyone who loves to stay organized and efficient. So, if you're looking for a label maker that can help you stay on top of your organizational game, the Foamemo D30 is definitely worth considering. The Xyron Creative Station is a versatile and powerful tool for anyone who loves to create scrapbooks, cards, or other craft projects. With its easy-to-use design and intuitive controls, it's the perfect tool for both beginners and more experienced crafters. One of the most notable features of the Xyron Creative Station is its versatility. It can handle a wide range of materials, including paper, cardstock, fabric, and even foam. This means you can easily create a huge range of different crafts with just one tool, and you won't need to worry about investing in multiple machines or devices. Another impressive feature of the Xyron Creative Station is its ease of use. It features a simple-to-use control panel with clear, easy-to-understand buttons and a clear LCD display that helps guide you through each step of the process. You can easily switch between different cartridge sizes without the need for any complicated setups or adjustments. The Xyron Creative Station is also incredibly versatile. It can laminate, make magnets, create labels, and more, all with just a few simple steps. It's also built to last, with a durable and sturdy construction that can handle frequent use without showing any signs of wear and tear. Overall, the Xyron Creative Station is an excellent tool for anyone who loves to create and has a passion for crafting. Its versatility, ease of use, and impressive performance make it a must-have tool for anyone who wants to take their crafting game to the next level. So, if you're looking for a high-quality tool that can help you create beautiful crafts with ease, the Xyron Creative Station is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching our video on the top 3 best portable sticker printers in 2024. We hope that our reviews and insights have helped you choose the perfect best sticker printer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews and informative content.